Yes, that's J Boogie and Peter Morgan from. That's J Boogie and Peter Morgan from Morgan Heritage with Sunshine Girl. The next track I'm about to give you is a track which was recorded last year by Glenn Wilcox from the Simmertones, and he did it actually without the band. You know, it was in aid of teenage cancer, the Teenage Cancer Trust. Right now, it's It's gonna be Bob Marley's "Me Belly Full But Me Hungry." Enjoy.
Society just looking for some peace. You can't find no kindness in a world that's built on greed. There's hope in my heart one day all of this may change, so we can live our life as one, a life we're not restrained by the chains of democracy and how we're told to be. So dance your cares into the night and set your spirit free. And belly full but me hungry, belly full. An angry mob is an angry mom, belly full. Raining for but the dirty town, belly full. A pot I cook but the food not enough. An angry man is an angry man, an angry man. Raining for but the dirty town, dirty town. Belly full but me hungry, belly full. An angry man is an angry man, belly full. Raining for but the dirty town, belly full. A pot I cook but the food no, belly. An angry man is an angry man, belly full. Raining for but the dirty town, belly full but me hungry, belly full. Hungry, yeah. Raining for but the dirty town. An angry man is an angry man, angry man. Raining for but the dirty town. Belly full but me hungry.
Yes, all for the Teenage Cancer Trust. That was Glenn Wilcox from the Simmertones doing his cover of Bob Marley's Belly Full. That was very nice, thank you.